picked up from Hobby Lobby for fall. So it's quite a bit. So some things I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you because I put them somewhere and I don't feel like taking them down, but I will show you guys definitely. All right, let me start with, let's start with the sign. All right, so I didn't get too many pumpkins this year because if you see my last year's video, maybe I'll link it here or at the end, I got a lot of pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. I know I wanted a few more, but I don't know if I want to stay neutral or I want to put a little orange in, so I'm debating. Anyway, so pick this up. I just love this. Gather around the table. I really love this, and I think you can use this all year round, like in your dining room or in the kitchen where the table is. And I love it because it's like real wood. So you hang it, or you can just place it. I might even put it with a plate stand. So I really like this one, and I like that I can use it all year round, not just for the holidays. Okay, this is a big sign, but I had to buy it because I just love it. Said hello fall, and then in the back it says boo, if you guys can see it. And you know I love Halloween and I love fall, but I just love that I can use them for both. They had another sign too. I forgot what it said, maybe welcome, but I only picked up this. I think that's it for the signs. I didn't get any other signs, I don't believe, because I had gotten a sign in Michael's too. All right, so got this. Again, I can use it all year round, which I love. And then I got these pumpkins because you know I love the buffalo check, the black and white. So very adorable, and I might put these in here. So I think this is a cute little caddy. All right, and this is not fall related, but I just loved it. Let me move back. It's really, really big, and I just loved that it said bakery on it, and it's so big that I could put my breads or muffins or anything in here. It's not really like, you know, a seal, but you know, you could put the things in there, I guess, you know, just for like storage. And what I'm using this right now for is I have a lot of kitchen stuff like these measuring. I have my measuring, I guess, stuff you want to say, measuring spoons, measuring scoops, and I have a little measuring bowls in here. So I'm using this as storage too. It is huge. Oh, and I got these pumpkins. I thought they were cute. They matched with those little ones. So yeah, all right. And these are the canisters I want that I told you last time. I got like another pumpkin one. It was square from Michael's, but I wanted these. I actually wanted them last year. I didn't pick them up. So I got the apple and then I got the pumpkin, but I'm using it as a vase. So you could be creative, you know, you don't have to use it as a canister. You could use it as a vase. So it looks really pretty. So got these two. I really wanted these two from last year. Like I said, even when you have a pantry, you could put these up, you know, high up in your pantry. Like if you have a nice walk-in one, you know, all year round, really. Then I picked up these napkins. It's orange, and then buffalo check. So I thought these orange ones were really pretty, you know, even to like set on your table. I'm gonna use these as napkins, actually. So I'm going to turn the camera in a few minutes. I want to see if I have anything else to show you, and then I'm going to show you my table because it's already decorated and I bought mostly everything from Hobby Lobby. Before I show you the table, let me just, well, this is on the table. I can show you on the table anyway. So I like these. This is a placemat. It is black ticking stripe. I love ticking stripe. And then right here is the pillow. So these are gonna go in my dining room. I thought it would look nice. And I'm going to mix this up with the buffalo check. All right, before I go on the table, I just wanna show you this. This is an enamel plate, and it is a charger. I think it's so nice. I just love it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is pretty big. It's enamel. You know I love enamel. And then actually they have a hook in the back, and you could use it to put it on your wall as decorations. So now I'm going to take you to my dining room table, and I'm going to show you what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I don't feel like taking everything off. So let's go. So the lighting's not that great, but I picked these little signs up from Hobby Lobby, which I think they're really pretty. I just love them. And I thought that it would look pretty, you know, if you buy a few of them and you put them on the place setting. One says welcome friends and the other one says hello fall. I think that will look really pretty, guys. So, all right, and then I got these candles from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were nice. I love candles, so these are like a darker wood. And, okay, let's just start. I hope you guys can see the lighting's not that great in here, and it's very gloomy outside. All right, so this little house is from Hearth and Hand. It's a place card holder. I love it, and these are the place card holders from Hearth and Hand. So, and then this plate is from Hobby Lobby. It's a salad plate or dessert plate. So I put it on top of here, and then these are the mugs, which I just love. And these mugs are really, really big. You can't really tell, but they're pretty huge. And I forgot to tell you, I got this runner from Hobby Lobby too. All right, and I explained to you, these are the orange. I gotta iron this. So the orange I used that as a napkin, and then this plate I have from Michael's. Okay, now this is a charger, which I just love. This is plastic though. It's from Hobby Lobby too. And I'm using this for the charger. And then I layered this white, lacy one, and then the napkin, and then the plate, then this little house. I think it looks cute, and I think it looks great for fall. Okay, so I think this looks pretty cute. What do you guys think? All right, I have these little tags, they're burlap, and it says grateful, thankful, blessed. And I think these are really pretty too to put on, you know, the plate for Thanksgiving. So these are really cute too. I wanted to buy more, but they sold out so quick, these. My Hobby Lobby was sold out on these. These are really, really pretty. I like them. All right, that's it for my fall Hobby Lobby haul. That was like a tongue twister. All right, so thank you for watching, and let me know down below what was your favorite piece. And I'm trying to get all of the videos out. I have a lot of videos. I'm trying to edit them. I was a little busy. And plus, as you guys know, I have another little puppy. I'll try to show you guys in another video too. All right, and so don't forget to follow me on Keeping Up with Miss Electra on Instagram. You can see my puppy there. I show a lot of my puppy on there. All right, anyway, stay tuned for my videos. And if you like this video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up because it shows me that you like videos like this. All right, anyway, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.